Let me ask you a question. Are you running your business or your business is running you? Does this look familiar? Let me ask you, does any of this sound like you? Your books are behind. You don't really know where is your profit. Tax season stresses you out. Cash flow keeps surprising you. If you're nodding, you're not alone. Most business owners struggle not because they lack the knowledge, because they are wearing too many hats at once, especially when they do their own bookkeeping. Small businesses make mistakes and those become expensive problems. Here is the thing. Small mistakes, they add up very fast. They come from payroll errors. I see misdeduction all the times, late fees, and duplicate expenses. Every unnoticed error drains your business quietly. And the most expensive bookkeeping mistake is the one you don't even know that exists. So why Ronixio? Because we catch what other misses. Let me give you a real example. A client came to us and asked us to review the books after switching from another provider. So they asked us the obvious, to look at their revenue, to look at their expenses, and we did the obvious. We found that the revenue was overstated by about 30,000. So that saved them a lot of taxes because it distorts everything else for them in the profit and loss statement. The other problem we saw is that we really dug in and we looked to other areas that usually people don't look because they are not asked for. So we went deeper into payroll, and guess what we found? One of the employee had a garnishment notice. That's usually employers have to deduct from each employee some amount from their paycheck for child support. So the request was for $200. But guess what? The bookkeeper submitted $399 every paycheck. So by the time I found it, that account was overpaid $9,600. This money should have stayed in the business. The owner, they had no clue about it. She didn't even know how come the other bookkeeper said it this way and why it went so far, almost like 2 years, until I came on board and told her about it. So of course, this money is gone. The money that goes to disbursement units, you can usually never bring it back. So that's what we do. We catch what other miss. So imagining running your business like this. Before, you have messy desk, everything piles out, you have overdue invoices, you don't know what to do with different compliance reports, filing sales tax, payroll quarterly, and you have consistent stress. However, after you reacting and you have the proper system in place, you are basically now leading your company. So after, the photo shows it really nicely and the guy's smiling in the photo and not stressing out anymore, they have clean dashboard, they have clean numbers and confident decision. Finally, they feel in control. So what exactly that we do? So we handle the full cycle of bookkeeping. So we records your accurate data from your banks and from your credit cards. We capture the payroll and record them accurately in the books. We also perform your bank reconciliation timely. And I do want to stress out why timely is important, because when you do them timely, you can catch error and suspicious transaction. And if you want to submit it to your bank, I was witnessing to 100,000 fraud. If it would not submit it within that same month, the bank would not ever return that money. So timely bank reconciliation is important. And finally, we do the financial report so clients can have a visibility of what's really going on in the books. We also do the QuickBooks setup. Depends on the industry they are in. We do different sales tax filing, 1099 preparation, and really most importantly, is the year-end CPA ready books. So clients have those ready for the CPA at any given time. Our process has 3 phases. Phase number 1 is the start. This is when we learn your business, we set up your books, and we build clean business and system from day 1. Phase 2, this is when we operate. This is when we perform your monthly bookkeeping, accurate payroll recording, and putting everything in the bank reconciliation timely. And lastly is when you actually grow. This is when regular reviews of your financial reports turn into strategy, so you can make smarter decisions every month. Think of it like a GPS navigation. You always know where you are and where you are headed. So here is something that most accountants don't talk about it. It's communication. So when we engage in any business to do their accounting, we keep everyone connected. You as the business owner, us as the bookkeepers, you CPA, and we bring up all the time topics that we need to be resolving among all of us. Then the legal team occasionally, your payroll agency, and the banking. So we feel when the right people are in line, costly mistakes get caught up before they happen. Monthly checks in, fast responses, no surprises. So great communication is the foundation of great accounting for Ronixio. So let me show you the most common mistake I see every day. Company mixing personal and business expenses, and they don't really know that there is a legal consequences to do so, because in a way you are expose yourself to piercing the corporate veil or alter ego, in other words. Another common mistake is missing receipts. You have wrong payroll compilations and skipped reconciliation. So what we do from chaos to clarity, correct bookkeeping includes recording everything timely so you have an accurate financial reports. So here's what I believe. Every month has a story. Your numbers are not just numbers. They tell you what is working and what is not working. We turn raw bookkeeping into actionable strategy. Next slide, please. So why client choose Ronixio? 5 elements. Accuracy. So every number reviewed with precision, integrity, fast responses. That's what I see all my clients like. We answer in the same day when they ask a question. Communication, very open. And lastly, the experience, we're very hands-on across industry. So from stress to confidence, this is the transformation we deliver. Ronixio does not just organize your number, we give you peace of mind. And when your books are clean, your reports are ready, you stop reacting and start leading. So behind every successful business, there is a clear financial picture. Let us build yours together, and please call us for a free consultation. Balance is not a luck. It's built one careful stone at a time. That's what clean books do for your business.